Well, hey guys, you asked for it, and I am more than happy to fulfill your request to make this cone tree and put some glitter on it and really make it shine. I mean, after all, every home deserves sparkle and shine for the holiday season. So we're going to get right into how I created this now. So you're going to need some of these spoons from the Dollar Tree. There's 48 in a pack, so I didn't even use 3 packs. And you're just going to separate the handle from the spoon part, and that's it. Now, this next step, guys, you don't have to do. This is optional. I chose to spray paint it because I wanted to go with like a silvery look. You could use them just as they are, very neutral, and whatever glitter you use will definitely reflect well. So you can definitely skip this step if you just want to use the white spoons as a really nice neutral base. Next step, we're going to make a cone. The reason I'm making a cone is because I could not find one that was a pencil cone in any of the craft stores. I'm sure they have it, I just couldn't find one. You can do this really simply. As you can see, I used the same cardstock that I used to spray paint my spoons, and basically you just want to cut the or trim the bottom of it if you will make your own, because you want it to sit flat when it stands. You also want to take some foam board or cardboard rather, or anything that is very sturdy in your home, trace around it, cut this out or trim this out, and then you're going to insert this into the bottom of your cone. And the reason you're doing this is to make it sturdy for when you embellish it, if you're planning on making this cone tray. Now, to really make it sturdy, you just want to go around the rim of it where the foam or cardboard meets the actual cardstock for the cone with some hot glue, and it'll be really sturdy. Now, to assemble this cone with the spoons, you're just going to need your hot glue and sticks and your spoons. And when you do construct this, you're going to be actually gluing it at the very top where the handle would begin and the base of the spoon ends. And you're just going to apply your hot glue there. Make sure that you're using your cone standing up, so that way it's ensuring that it's going to be even with the bottom of the spoon. If you do try to do this and it's laying down, the spoons might be a little lower than the base of the cone, which would give you a very uneven cone when you try to stand it up. So just bear that in mind. And that's all there is to this, guys. Very simple. Next step, you're just going to make sure that when you do complete your first round circle, that these spoons are close together as possible. And that's it. Just repeat this process all the way around. Now the next step will be for your next row, and for this, guys, you're just going to go in between each of your spoons, and you're going to place this in between so that way there's full coverage and you're overlapping it. And that's really it. The only other thing when you're making all of your next rounds is that you're just basically going to make sure that the top and the bottom are even, so you have a neat cone. When you get to the very top, you're just going to stagger them slightly, and to cover the point of the cone, as you can see, you just apply these spoons just so, and you only need about 2 or 3 for the top, and you're all done. Very simple and easy. Now that the cone tree is completed, you're going to go ahead and start embellishing it, and this is the fun part. And of course, you use any glitter that you want for your aesthetic. You don't have to add in the crushed glass, but as you can see, I did and gave it a shake because I wanted my glitter to have a little bit of chunkiness to it. Now, I would recommend using either Mod Podge or using some Elmer's glue, not anything that's too thick. And just brush it on and simply sprinkle like you would with glitter, and that's it, guys. And I could really imagine this in so many pretty colors, traditional colors like gold or red or green, or even neutral colors. And guys, it's just so much fun. And as you can see, instead of just doing a little bit at a time, I basically covered about 15 to 20 at a time with the glue, and then went back and sprinkled it. So this DIY was super quick and easy after you got your spoons attached to your cone, and really so much fun, guys. I gotta say, I had a lot of fun doing this. I'm thinking about going back and maybe doing 2 more, and that way I'll have a trio of them. But really a lot of fun, and as you can see, you just want to make sure that you have either a large bowl or maybe cardstock or something to catch your glitter, so that way you can gather it, pour it back into your container, so that way you can reapply it. And it's just a lot of fun and really easy. So as you can see, after it dried, it came out so pretty. It's perfect for the holiday season with all that shine and sparkle with those glitters. And you know, I can imagine this in so many different areas of the home. It'll be a perfect place to put around your fireplace, or maybe your mantle, or maybe extra decor around your tree. And I really could imagine this maybe on an entryway table. So I'm just giving you guys some ideas about how, if you do decide to make this, how you can decorate with it. I really like this tree a lot though. So thanks for recommendations in the comments when you do comment. I appreciate it. I do read all of my comments, and I love taking suggestions from you guys and then applying them to the channel, because I know I'm giving you the content that you want to see. So if you like this video, thanks so much for watching. If you're new, I appreciate you for stopping by and spending time with me. You are so welcome here. If you're a regular subscriber that's been rocking out with me, I appreciate you so much, and all of your continuous support. It means the world to me. So if you do decide to subscribe, please hit the bell twice so you're notified whenever I upload. And in the meantime, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, because you know, as I always say, it helps my channel tremendously, and it allows other people to be able to find my content on this platform. So thank you so much, guys. Comment below if you're already shopping. I would love to hear what you guys are up to for the season, and I'm really looking forward to myself. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thank you all for watching.